Stop. Do not scroll past this. The fact that you found this recording is not an accident. It is an appointment. You have been working hard, but your bank account does not match your effort. That ends today. The struggle ends the moment you decide to accept your birthright. Most people are allergic to money. They chase it so it runs away. In the next hour, we are not going to chase. We are going to become. If you turn this off, you are choosing to stay exactly where you are. But if you listen, if you let these words soak into your spirit, you will wake up different. At the very end of this hour, I will give you the final seal to lock this new reality into your DNA. Your poverty is a lie. Your abundance is the truth. Are you ready to sign the contract for a new life? Take a deep breath. Let the old you die. Let the wealthy you rise. Let's begin. I do not chase money. Money chases me. I am a magnet for universal currency. My very existence attacks luxury. I do not work for money. My money works hard for me. Wealth is not something I do. Wealth is who I am. I am the breaking point of poverty in my bloodline. My children will never know lack because of the decisions I make today. It is easy for me to make money. I release the addiction to struggle. I release the belief that I must suffer to succeed. Opportunities find me while I sleep. My phone is a portal for prosperity. Every notification I receive is a notification of increase. I attract high-paying clients who respect my value. I attract deals that are effortless and overflow with profit. I am connected to an unlimited supply. I spend with gratitude, knowing it returns to me multiplied by 10. I am comfortable with large numbers. Millions look good on me. I am a good steward of great wealth. God trusts me with money because I use it for good. The lack is gone. The abundance is here. It is done. It is done. It is done. Do not just think it, write it. By writing it, you are signing the contract with the universe. It is finished.